Have you ever asked yourself how a switch just pops out of nowhere on the wall? How is it connected to a bulb?
Or a socket that supplies your appliances with power? How is it connected to the electricity that comes to your house?
Talk of an instant shower head. How is the switch connecting to it? And then at the consumer unit level, how are they interconnected here? Well, I will take you through that. It goes down to one word: piping. A piping network in the electrical installation is very important because it interconnects all the switches, the bulbs, the sockets, all the way to the consumer unit, and that is how the wires are run through the pipes to the switches and to whatever appliances that they are supposed to be connected to. Now, in your house, there is the light network, the socket network, as well as the instant shower head network and all the rest. Each and every network is piped differently. Let's say a light network will be piped from the bulb all the way to the switch and then connected directly to the consumer unit. Now, if you're finding value in this video, hit the like button. When we talk about the socket, it's a different network that is connected from the socket and travels all the way to the consumer unit through its own pipe. When it comes to the instant shower head, the cooker, the same applies. And through these pipes, the wires travel and connect whatever fixture, let's say a socket, all the way to the consumer unit where it gets its power from. The reason why it is done separately is because each and every network has its own power demand. Let's say a light network demands lesser power than an instant shower head or a socket circuit. And that is why it is connected separately to a consumer unit, whereby it has to be fitted with its own circuit breaker, so that in case there is a problem or a fault in that network, the specific circuit breaker will trip depending on the problem that is on that network. Now, the main reason why there has to be a piping network is to ensure that the electricity that flows from the consumer unit to the electrical fixtures or the appliances is to ensure that our loved ones are not predisposed to any electric shocks, or our property is not burned down due to electrical faults or hazards. In the next video, I will be showing you how the pipework is done for each and every network, from the light, the instant shower heads, the sockets. I will demonstrate how all of these pipes are folded and how they travel in the wall. Stick around for that. In the meantime, subscribe to my channel so that you do not miss an episode.